This Lordship, my grandson. Finally, 1 week, my Lord, I
Lordship,
have to
I am
file a
appearing on.
document of with regard to that she is working in the company as a work from home. She filed an application but could not get sanction from the company. She is seeking for transfer of Hyderabad to Peddapalli district.
How long, madam?
Finally, my Lord, I instructed her.
Let me tell you, just it is a matter of one phone call to ask. This matter was
The
the
company-
on 26/9. Today it
Yes.
is more than 1 month, almost 1 month's time.
From the last
Company-
4 adjournments also, my lord, I was ready
She
to
has
argue the
filed
matter,
a-
my lord.
She filed an application to get the sanction from the company. That's all.
Even my lord,
Couldn't get
For what?
for that she's working from home.
my lord,
Could
my
get that
respectful
only
submission,
application
if she's
when they
working
give a
as a work
sanction.
from home also, it is
Yes,
not a
sir.
ground for the transfer of the application, my lord. May kindly hear me, my lord.
Except that ground, my lord, they put the document in WhatsApp. They have.
I'm not only
Everything,
making that
my lord,
ground, my
is
lord.
near Peddapalli, where she stays, my lord. Her parents are at Peddapalli. Marriage performed everything at Peddapalli. Except that what she stated in first of argument that she is in Hyderabad, they have taken as evidence that she is in Hyderabad.
Lordship, my
Except that
respect,
statement.
my respectful
For
submission,
that
my
only I am
lord.
asking.
Either one of you will teach in complete. She will not get this. Continue.
I am just stating my statement because my lord.
My lord, may kindly,
Is it any competition?
No.
my lord, may kindly permit, my lord. My lord, I'm not only seeking on that ground, my lord. May kindly see my counter in page number 2, para number 3 and 6, my lord. That the transfer petition cannot be extended to frustrate the object and purpose of the statutory provision of indigenous in section 13(1) clause A of Hindu Marriage Act. The Principal Family Court, Hyderabad, is having legal and territorial jurisdiction to try, entertain, and adjudication upon the subject matter of divorce petition as the petitioner and the respondent had discharged the matrimonial obligations at Hyderabad. So the present petition is not legally maintainable and sustainable in the eyes of law, and the same without the force of law, the same is devoid any merit and substance, my lord. My kindly para number, my lord, I'm marriage took place in the year 2022, my lord. She left the matrimonial house in the year 2023. Later, I have served the legal notice, my lord. Then later, I filed my divorce petition. After 1 month, my lord, she filed this domestic violence petition, my lord. My lord, they are seeking to the monthly, my lord, but the domestic violence case is pending before the Godavari court, my lord. But they are seeking for the monthly, my lord. It is only to harass this respondent, my lord. Apart from that, my lord, for the consideration, kindly see this judgment, my lord. Anandita Das versus Srijat. It's around 35 to divorce petition is pending before Hyderabad, my lord, but they are seeking to the monthly, my lord. But they filed the domestic violence petition which is pending before the Godavari court, my lord.
498. 498.
498 Godavari Kani.
Only to harass this respondent, my lord. May kindly see this judgment, my lord. Kindly. It is a apex court judgment, my lord. Anandita Das versus Srijat Das. Page number 2, which I highlighted, my lord. Para number 3. Even, may kindly permit me to read, my lord. Even otherwise, it must be seen that at one stage this court was showing lenience to ladies, but since then it has been found that a large number of transfer petitions are filed by women, taking advantage of the leniency shown by this court. On an average, at least 10 to 15 transfer petitions are on board of each court on each admission day. It is therefore clear that lenience of this court is being misused by the woman, and the same is dismissed by the apex court, my lord. And my lord, another citation, my lord, my kindly. This is the 2024 apex court is passed by the Honorable Judges Bela M. Trivedi and Pankaj Mittal. My kindly para number 3. Having regard to the fact that the petitioner is an educated lady working as a journalist, we do not find any good ground to transfer the case as paid for. My respectful submission, she is financially earning more than me, my lord. She was physically fit, my lord. And also, my lord, the government is also given a free bus to the woman, my lord. My kindly, my lord. Every possibility she has, my lord. I kindly dismiss the petition, my lord, with the exemplary cost and directing the family court to dispose the matter under section 21B of HM Act within the 6 months, my lord. Kindly, my lord.
Madam, actually, whenever we are asking you people to consult your client and get back, it is only to give an opportunity to think one more time. See, at this point of time, what is happening is you are filing all these HMOPs wherever, 498 wherever, but you are living in Hyderabad. I'm not telling your client. In general, they are living in Hyderabad, some other place where they are having employment. It may look like, we have achieved something and give some kind of sense of, achievement initially. But after transfer, not only the respondent, even your client will suffer if she has to travel. This point, people are losing sight. It is not easy that, both of you live in Hyderabad, but both of you have to travel to Manthani. Is it a joke? Let me tell you, traveling in a car itself takes 1 full day more. If you have a car, otherwise you travel in buses, how much time it will take?
There is another judgment of Apex Court, my lord.
It is not at all in the interest of your own clients, only to give them an opportunity to think, so that yes, you please fight with full force, full energy, but where you are living, you will be tired by the time you travel to Manthani. Here you can fight with better force and energy.
Yes, my lord. My kindly another judgment, kindly permit me to read. Merely because the petitioner is a lady does not mean that she cannot travel to the so and so place, my lord. It is also Apex Court, my lord.
See, finally, my lord, next week I'll get the same thing, my lord. If at all not, your lordship may say that, my lord. Because she is seeking from Manthani, but the nearest court is Peddapalli district, where both the parties can. She is not there. She is with parents, my lord, where she is her father, my lord, as a Singarani employee of Godavarkani.
My respectful
submission, my lord.
If she is working at the work from home is also not a ground to transfer the application, my lord. When she is financially fit and physically fit, my lord.
Let me see.
And she is also earning more than me, my lord.
What is?
Kindly page number 7, my lord. She is working in a Cap Gemini, my lord, as a software employee. I'm working in some hospital, my lord.
Both are employees here.
My lord, it is only, my lord, to harass the
You cannot now.
It is a, my lord, nearby distance for both the parties, my lord, but she is Manthani. Yes.
Location of Manthani, Godavarkani, Peddapalli.
13th LM.
So I cannot. That's why I am telling, don't harass your clients. Give them good advice.
Malik, it is based on their instruction that he is staying with parents, my lord, at Godavarkani. Now, even though we instructed
Then why ask for Manthani?
Huh?
If so,
because, my lord, they are staying there. She's staying there with the parents. She sought for that, my lord.
I will make no objection, my lord, if they are seeking for the Godavarkani court, my lord. But they are seeking to the Mantri, my lord, which is very far to the.
why Manthani? You are only admitting that Peddapalli is the
Yes,
place.
your lordship may see page 9, your lordship. Well, I am seeking only to get, because until and unless, my lord, the parties, my lord, consent of that letter, I cannot argue, your lordship. I requested, my lord, the same thing, that it's pressurizing before the court also. My lord, kindly grant 1 week time, I'll get
Without a letter, she should have asked for Peddapalli.
My lord, only the conversation of the WhatsApp in a hot argument, she stated that she's in Hyderabad.
It is not about Peddapalli. Conversation is that she is living in Hyderabad.
That is what, my lord, it is only a hot argument between the wife and husband. What she stated that in frustration she stated that I am in Hyderabad. Your lordship may see the chatting also totally. But even then, my lord, your lordship may grant, I'll state the same thing to the party to get the same instruction. to file before this court. Finally, your lordship may.
My lord, if they're submitting as a work from home also, my lord, I'm not seeking on that ground, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, apex court judgment is which is clearly.
He sought to mainly file the document. She's at her parents, your lordship.
Where are her parents?
Lord, they themselves wrote at page 9, your lordship.
Your address is shown as Godavari, isn't it? Peddapalli district. Ramagiri Mandal, Peddapalli district.
Yes, my lord. Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka.
Peddapalli district, Mantani, my lord. It's a district. Senior Civil Judge Court, Mantani, Peddapalli district. That's what she is. And 498 is at Godavari Kani, my lord.
My lord.
13th mm at Peddapalli.
My respectful submission, my lord.
Peddapalli. If she has filed this 498A at Peddapalli.
She has filed, my lord, 498 at JCJ Court, Godavari Kani.
Correct.
Now she is seeking, my lord, for Mantani, Peddapalli district.
Why? Is the question.
Yes, my lord.
Your lordship will see, my lord. I'll get, my lord, 9 page, para 9, they themselves have said that she is staying with her parents. Page 9, para 3, your lordship.
Where are her parents?
23.
Peddapalli or in Mantani?
Their cost title is showing clearly.
Heard both the counsels. There is no clarity to the petitioner about the residence of the petitioner at Hyderabad or Peddapalli or Mantani.
Page 10, your
Respondent.
lordship.
The learned counsel for petitioner sought time to get a communication from the company where the petitioner is employed to demonstrate that the petitioner is not a resident of Hyderabad but carrying on her work from home at Mantani. The learned counsel for respondent opposed the petition, alleging that place of residence cannot be a ground for transfer. Further, it is argued that the petitioner is more qualified and earning more than the respondent, and the mere factum of the petitioner being a lady cannot be a ground for transfer. As a last chance, the learned counsel for petitioner is directed to produce documents showing the actual place of residence of the petitioner. Also, clarification is sought as to why the case under 498 of IPC is filed at Peddapalli in case the petitioner is a resident of Mantani. List next.
Page 10, my lord. For a moment, page 10.
No more.
No, my lord.
Order
One
list
submission.
after.
Both the petitioner and respondent moved to the Peddapalli, my lord, because of the intervention of the elders. Page 10, your lordship may see, my lord.
On
That is why
Kindly.
the lordship
29,
is.
list on 28. By Tuesday, you please ask. Yes.
The lordship, page 10.
Kindly dismiss the petition, my lord. It is only of this process of law giving the adjournments, my lord.
After seeing that, my lord, your lordship.
You argue that on 28.
Page 10, they said the intervention of the
Will
elders.
you understand when an order is passed giving adjournment?
My lord, the order states that why in the Peddapalli, both of she has to stay.
Yes, you
but
can
the
give
ground
that
is
clarification next time
the
also.
ground is at page 10, your lordship.
Kindly, my citations are on record, my lord.
He is
Ask
not a-
her. So now according to you, nobody is living at Peddapalli.
They both at that time, my lord, because this Peddapalli district, my lord, they both lived. She is seeking for the transfer as she is staying with the parents, my lord. Now by working from home.
You never gave me answer to the question, where are her parents residing?
Yes, information.
Kindly dismiss the petition with the exemplary cost, my lord. It is only harassed to the respondent, my lord.
That cannot be stated.
28.